Hello viewers, let's master English pronunciation the easiest way. Did you know that letter C has two sounds in English? It can sound like K in cat or as S in city. Rule 1. If C comes before A, O or U, it usually sounds like K. Examples: cat, corn or cup. So remember, C plus A or O or U equals to K. Rule 2. When C comes before E, I or Y, it usually sounds like S. Examples: saint, city, cycle. So remember, C plus E or I or Y equals to S. This is the usual rule in English pronunciation, although a few words may be exceptions. Now it's your turn. Write one word with letter C pronounced as K and one word with C pronounced as S in the comments below. Let's see your examples.